أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Today our topic is Murakkab izafi. This is the third kind of Murakkab compound. Murakkab izafi have two components. First one is muzaf, the second is muzaf ilay. Anything which have relation with another thing is called muzaf, and muzaf ilay. Anything which have relation with muzaf is called muzaf ilay. For example, we have a word in Urdu language for Murakkab izafi, or example of Murakkab izafi, ladke ki kitab, the book of boy. Ladke ki kitab, in this ladka is muzaf ilay and kitab is muzaf. In Urdu language, the muzaf ilay will come first from muzaf, and muzaf will come in the last of Murakkab izafi. The word used for this example in Arabic language is kitabul waladi. In kitabul waladi, kitab is muzaf because it is the relation with the waladi, and waladi muzaf ilay. We people concluded that in Urdu language, muzaf ilay come first and muzaf come at the last of the Murakkab izafi. The something without owner is impossible. It means that the universe without Allah is impossible. It means that the universe is made by Allah. In Arabic language, the meaning of muzaf in first and muzaf ilay at last, it means that something without owner is impossible. We people reading the identification of Murakkab izafi in the Holy Quran. First of all, there are three conditions for the identification of Murakkab izafi in the Holy Quran. First, we will check the noun, that both components of Murakkab izafi, muzaf and muzaf ilay, if these are noun, then the one condition should be followed. The noun have two identification. First one is nakira, which is known by tanween, do zabar, do zir, do pesh, and the marifa is known by alif lam. Second, we will check the muzaf ilay. If the muzaf ilay was in genitive case or in izafi halat, then the second condition will be followed. Now, izafi halat can be occur due to two causes. First cause is harf jar, preposition, and the second is muzaf. Now in this example, first we people check are both nouns. Kitabu is a noun and walad is a noun. Then the question arises that they are not present the condition of noun in the kitabu. Here the answer to this question is muzaf will be no alif lam in his beginning and no tanween in his end. Such a noun will be known as muzaf. It is the third identification of noun. Second, izafi halat of muzaf ilay. Muzaf ilay al-walad is in izafi halat. The third condition, izafi halat, is due to muzaf. This is the identification of Murakkab izafi in Holy Quran or in daily Arabic grammar.